Wow, this airport is so... I can't find the confirmation number anywhere. Did I pack it?
It's all right, take your time.
Oh wait, here it is. I found the printout.
Perfect. Let's go check in. It looks like it won't be much longer now. I'm so excited for this trip.
Me too. I still can't believe we're finally going to Paris.
Look, our counter is open. This is really happening. Our bags are already on the way. Soon it will be us.
It really is happening, isn't it?
We're about to go on an adventure together. I think we'll be great friends.
I am sure you will.
23.5. That's too much, isn't it?
It should be okay, Julia. Let's just check in.
Here is your boarding pass. You are all set for your flight.
Oh, thank you so much. I still can't believe this is happening.
See, my boarding pass confirms the gate is B12.
What about this paper ticket I have?
It matches up perfectly. We are all set.
Take a breath, Julia. Everything is going to be all right. I promise. Look at that view. I still can't believe we're finally going on this adventure.
Sophia, you made it. I can't believe you're finally here.
I know. The flight felt like forever. It is wonderful to see you.
There we go. I am so excited about this trip, Sophia.
I know, Julia. It feels like we've been waiting forever. I don't know. A part of me wishes this moment wouldn't end. I'm really gonna miss you. Are you sure this is the right gate? Yes, it says gate 22. Boarding in 10 minutes. I am really going to miss you while I am gone.
I will miss you too, but think of all the amazing stories you will have when you get back.
It feels like we just saw each other yesterday. I know what you mean. Time really does fly by quickly.
Really?
I just wanted to say thank you for everything. I'm gonna miss you so much while I'm gone.
I'm really gonna miss you. Call me as soon as you land, okay?
I will. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
I am so excited for this trip. Are you ready?
I am. Let's head to the gate.
Okay, I think I finally got this situated.
Good. Gate 22, here we come. I still can't believe we're finally going.
I know. It feels like we've been planning this forever.
It feels strange leaving now, but I know this is the right choice for me.
It is. You deserve this.
Thank you. You're all set. Oh, good. This is gonna be amazing.
I still can't believe we're finally going.
I know. This trip is gonna be amazing.
All right, that fits. Looks like these are our seats.
Oh, great. Let's settle in.
So that's how my trip was. But enough about me. How have things been going with you lately, Julia?
Oh, well, it's been quite busy. The clouds look so soft and peaceful from up here. It really is a beautiful view.
It is. I'm glad we decided to take this trip together.
I am seriously so excited about this trip. I still can't believe we actually booked it.
I know. It feels like a dream come true.
Would you ladies like something to drink or perhaps a snack?
Yeah.
Do you have any pretzels left today?
I think I'll just have a ginger ale.
Certainly. Coming right up.
I believe our seats are in the next row.
Oh.
We just head right up there. Here you go. Enjoy.
Oh, thank you. This looks amazing.
I agree. I think I'll start with the salad.
Hi, Julia. It's so good to finally see you.
I missed you so much, Sophia. The flight was fine. I'm glad we're doing this, I really am. But lately I've been thinking about everything, and I might need to make some changes when we get back.
It's so beautiful up here.
I could look at these clouds all day.
I'm just so happy we finally made this trip happen. It means the world to me. Me too, Soph. To our adventure.
To us. Cheers.
Okay, wheels up. Are you ready for an adventure?
I was born ready. Let's go.
I still can't believe you came all this way just to see me off.
Of course I did. I wouldn't miss this for the world.
Guess what? We are flying first class today.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe it!
I missed you so much.
This is it. Our adventure is finally beginning. I am so excited.
Me too. I've already planned out our first day of sightseeing.